Hi there, Henry here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video I'm going to teach you how to set or create a new Adsense unit for your website. Now apart from creating a new Adsense unit for your website, as a newbie you might not know how to place this code into your website. Now I'm going to introduce a perfect plugin which I have been using for years and it has worked perfectly fine for me with zero issues, and it is called the Quick Adsense. Now with the Quick Adsense you can place your first code that will be given to you from Google in the header section of your website, which of the plugins, which I'm also going to show you in this video. And also in this video you're going to learn my top 3 perfect and best Adsense units which I use across my platforms. Now let's dive in right away so you can learn how to create your first Adsense unit. You can log into the AdSense platform by navigating to google.com/AdSense. Then click on sign in. Input your email address and then your password and to take you to your dashboard. So guys, we just successfully logged into our AdSense account. As you can see, it's a fresh AdSense account. The first thing you want to do is to scroll down and on the left side and click AdSense. Then also AdSense. This is the default ad unit that automatically shows ads on your website. So what we're going to do is to turn this off by clicking on edit. Turn this off. And we're going to leave this and this. Click on save. Now next is to copy this setup code. Then we'll close. Then we'll come down to add unit. Now on this add unit, this is where we get to set up our AdSense add unit, just like this. See, this is an add unit, this is an add unit, this is an add unit, these are add units, these are add units, and these two are both add units. So we are going to create a new add unit that we're going to be placing on a newly Google approved website, or may I say a new website. So the first thing you want to do is to click on new ad unit, then select the text and display ads. Now there are 3 major ad units which I use on a regular basis on virtually all my website, and they have all been performing perfectly fine and excellent for me. So the first one, it's the link ad. I usually create the link ad 200 times 90. So I'll call this this is the name of the AdSense unit. You can name it whatever you want to. So I'm going to call it the link ad. Scroll down on the text side. This is where you get to set the design. So for now, I'm going to leave as default. So scroll down and click on save and get code. Now we're going to copy this code. Paste on our notepad. That's our backup, and click close. So we have the ad unit now. Then we'll create another ad unit, that is the square ad unit, or can you either create the 300 by 250 or the large square ad unit. So we either create this or this, both still performs better, but I'm going to do this. So scroll down, click on save and get code. I'm going to copy this code, just like so. Now we're going to close this. Since we have the link ad, the square, the rectangle, the 300 by 250 ad unit, and we have the 200 by 90 ad unit, which is also the link ad, which is a link ad. We need one more link ad, but a responsive link ad. Select link, then select the responsive. I'm gonna call this link. Just like so. Scroll down, click save and get code. Now I'm going to copy this code and back it up. And click on close. This is the link, this, and this. Then we need to create one more ad unit. But now we're going to create an in-article ads. Get started. This is going to be kind of like a responsive ad unit for both mobile and desktop, tabs, or whatever it is. So I'm going to call this, and scroll down, save and get code. This is my code. I'm going to copy by clicking this and paste here. So it's time for us to place all this code on our website. So guys, I want to say congratulations. We just successfully created our first Adsense unit. Now it's time for us to place this Adsense code within our website. We're going to place this Adsense code in 3 sections in our content, which is below the title, in the middle of the content, and right before the last paragraph. The reason is because I've tested different placements on different websites, and I came to realize these placements are one of the best. Since I started using it across my website, I noticed I had up to 500% increment in my earning. So I want you to try this as well, and we're going to achieve that using Quick Adsense. There are also other plugins which you can use, but by so far these have been the plugin I've been using, and it has worked perfectly fine for me without any problem. So I'll teach you how to do that right now. Let's dive into my system so you can see how to place this code within your website. Okay, now we just logged into our WordPress website, and this is the dashboard. You want to make sure you have the Quick Adsense installed on your website. If you don't have this plugin, navigate to plugins, then add new. Then on the side box, search for Quick Adsense. Yeah, this is it, Quick Adsense. Click install. Then activate. Now we've successfully installed the Quick Adsense on our website. The next thing we want to do is to place this code in our header script. We navigate to Quick Adsense. So on the header and footer scripts, we have to head back to our codes and copy this first one. This first one is the, okay, to make it easy for you to understand. So to make it easy for you to understand, we're going to do it from here. So we're going to get this code first, and we'll place this on the footer. And the reason why I like placing most of the script on my footer is because I don't want it to affect the load time for my websites. So click save. Okay, next it's time for us to set up the ad unit for the beginning of the post. We set to add 1, then turn this off, and we turn this off, set to add 2, and right before the last paragraph, set to add 3. Then we turn off page and leave post and add 1. We have to come down here and go to add unit. Then we have to pick the link add by clicking on get code, then copy, come back to our website. On add 1, we'll paste the code here. Now mind you, add 1, it's for the beginning of the post. So we'll paste the code here, and let's try to expand this to get more space. Enter, enter, enter. then close. Now we're going to copy the 300 by 250 ad units, get code, copy. Now we're going to place it right here under the 200 by 90 ad units. Then we'll scroll down to add 2, which says middle of post. Now for the middle of post, you want to place the in article ad units. So click on copy code, then come to add 2, which is the middle of post, and paste this code here. Then we'll navigate to add 3. For add 3, which is right before the last paragraph, now we're going to copy the responsive ad units. This is the link responsive ad. Get the code, come down to our website, paste here, then space, space, then click on close. Then we're also going to copy the code for the 300 by 250 ad units, then paste that right here. And once you're done, cross check to make sure everything is okay, and then you click on save. Now we have successfully placed the codes within our website, and it's time for us to see how it looks like. Wow, congrats. As you can see, we have the ad units. This is the one for the beginning of the post. We have these right before the last paragraph. It's shown here because this is where the last paragraph came up, and this here is the middle post. So this is the perfect settings for your AdSense unit. So just like so, this is how you create an AdSense unit for your website, and this is how you place the AdSense unit on your website using quick AdSense. So guys, kindly subscribe to my channel, because as you subscribe, it gives me motivation to do more video for you bloggers out there. And I promise I'll try as much as I can to create tons of video on a regular basis that will help you achieve your goal in the blogging world. So once again, my name is Henry Guru, and I'm signing out. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.